What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching us check out all of the slides at Wild Adventures Splash Island Water Park. It's been a scorcher the last couple of weeks, and being able to do the water parks during the summer is just so refreshing, and being in the heat. One thing I really do like about Walt Adventures is that you can ride all the rides and then you can go to the water park and vice versa. The fact that it's just one huge park makes it so convenient. The most liked comment on our previous video of us checking out the brand new slides at Adventure Island comes from Awesomest Parks. Said they absolutely love rapid racers. I did too. Such a good addition to the Adventure Island water park amongst the rest of the slides, which they're all so fun. If you want your comment read on our next video, the most liked comment on this one is the one that gets featured. So let us know in the comments what your favorite water slide is. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.